In 2023, we experienced solid top-line growth in all three geographies of our global injectables business. I took on the role of President of Injectables in September, and I'm excited about the future of Injectables business unit and Hikma globally. We have a great team, great products, and a plan for solid long-term growth in injectables. We're one of the largest injectable suppliers in the U.S. with more than 150 products, and we continue to expand annually. In fact, in 2023, we had 31 product approvals in North America and 23 more in MENA, and we're developing products for further growth in all three regions. We're also an outstanding manufacturer recognized for quality and reliability. We're constantly investing in our plants and capabilities and added 2 new high-speed lines in 2023. These lines are now fully functional and will help us to continue to grow in 2024 and beyond. We have plans in place to keep expanding our manufacturing capabilities within the global markets we serve with new plants in Morocco and Algeria and expanded capabilities in Italy. This will help us to continue to grow our market share in Europe and in MENA. I'm pleased with our 2023 performance and excited for the future. I'd like to thank all of our injectables employees for their continued hard work in making this business so successful and so impactful for the patients who need our medicines.